Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. Respectable all our lecturers whom we love and we respect. First of all, let's pray and thanks unto our God who has been giving us some mercies and blessings so we can attend and gather in this place in good condition and happy situation. Today, we want to explain about our project. The title is Smart Parking Batam, Analysis of Parking and Road Density Condition with AI and IoT. Member and contribution. The first, Irfan Afriyadi Bakara as the head UX design of Smart Park mobile apps display with Figma, and as the leader, Muhammad Syafwan Suryansyah as at the back end of the Smart Park mobile app and design for diagram with Drawio. Brahma Filipi Luban Tobing as a front end and back end of the Smart Park mobile apps. Patrick Maruli Luban Tobing as the person in charge of the document needed by the PBL group team. Sadam Imam Akiki Lubis in charge of complication of lesson plans and RPP document. Fauzi Al-Ghifari in charge PV, the lesson plan as well as the design of the PBL project. Ari Rajasyan as the PBL team analyzed the diagram and participate in helping to work on it. The last, Agung Ramadan Eka Setia Priyono as a analysis within the PPL team of the document being worked on.
Objective and problem statement. Project objective. The goal of the Smart Park project is to design and implement a technology-based parking system capable of automating the process of monitoring, detecting, and managing parking loss efficiently and real time. The system aims to reduce time searching for parking space, improve efficiency of parking lot management, reduce traffic and fuel consumption, provide confidence and in monitoring and reporting parking data to manager. Next is problem statements. Some of the main problems that the Smart Park application aims to solve are as follow. The lack of real-time information regarding the availability of parking space, yes, user to struggle and perspective time when looking for parking space. Efficiency in parking lot management, where many empty lots are not optimally utilized due to poor monitoring. There is no automated internet recording system that can help manager understand parking usage pattern and design management strategies.
Product fitur, empty parking lot detection, real-time monitoring, automate parking slot share, navigation to parking slots, reservation of parking slots, notification and reminders, data recap and use analysis. Product benefits, save user time, reducing parking lot congestion, navigation to parking slot, parking navigation efficient, improve user satisfaction.
Okay, I will explain the system flow chart here. We can see the user open the Smart Park application. After that, the system will detect the location of the user's presence. The system will display a list of the nearest empty parking slot in real time. Then the user will select a parking slot and the system will detect incoming vehicle via sensor or cameras. When the user arrives at the location, the system will detect the incoming vehicle and the parking time slot. The system will record and the user will receive a notification. When you want to leave the parking lot, the user can make payment or not, as the application implements the payment feature.
Okay, next I will explain about design and equipment scheme. In this system design, the Smart Park system is divided into three main parts. First is front-end user interface, mobile web application for user, features of empty parking slot search, navigation, reservation, and notification. And next, there is back-end, server and data management, server that manage parking availability data from sensor, user data, parking fee calculation, historical storage for analysis. And then there is hardware layer, or we call it physical device. The first is sensor and camera in the parking area, and then microcontroller for sensor interface, and then communication module, Wi-Fi, LoRa or GSM, and then LED display or information board to show slot availability.
Next, the equipment scheme. Here, we use several components, namely the ultrasonic AR sensor to detect whether the parking slot is empty or of cube field. Then the microcontroller contains the retrieve sensor data and send it to the server. The Wi-Fi model connects to the microcontroller to the internet. The camera is used as a visual validation, and the LED display the number of empty slots that can be used or not. The user smartphone to access the smart card application, the server or cloud database to store and process parking data in real time. The last power supply as a provider of electricity for all hardware device.
Next, the specification we use like this can be seen. Well, we go to the next one. Operation of the DET. 1. Parking detection sensor. An ultrasonic sensor is installed in each parking slot. If the vehicle is above the sensor, the slot status on cube. If there is no vehicle, the slot status will empty. 2. Data transmission to server. The microcontroller ESP32 reads that from the sensor probability. The data is sent to server via Wi-Fi. 3. Data processing. The server refreshes data from all parking slot. The system update the slot status in real time in the database. 4. User access via application. The apps display the location and number of fenced slot. User can select a slot and get direction. 5. Entry and exit direction. When a vehicle enters or exits a slot, the sensor detects the change. The system records the entry or exit time and the stores of the date. 6. Notification and payment optional. The user receives a notification when the parking time is running out. The system calculates the duration if appreciate the total cost to be paid. Progress implementation. 1. Parking direction sensor. An ultrasonic sensor is installed in X parking slot. If the vehicle is above the sensor, the slot status is on cube. If there is no vehicle, the status will empty. 2. Data transmission to server. The microcontroller ESP32 reads data from the sensor probabilities. The data is sent to the server via Wi-Fi. 3. Data processing. The server refreshes data from all parking slot. The system updates the slot status in real time in the database. 4. Access via application. The app displays the location and number of fenced slot. User can select a slot and get direction. 5. Entry and exit direction. When a vehicle enters or exits a slot, the sensor detects the change. The system records the entry or exit time and stores the data. 6. Notification and payment optional. The user receives a notification when the parking time is running out. The system calculation the duration and if applicable, the total cost be paid.
Cost contribution. Number 1, cloud representation and discussion support. Number 2, planning and scheduling. Number 3, machine learning, optional feature work. Number 4, sensor and real-time database processing, IoT integration. Number 5, human-computer interaction, or HCI. In conclusion, this project contributes to the application of theory into practice, strengthening student understanding of Number 1, AI sensor-based system. Number 2, real-time data processing. Number 3, discussion support. Number 4, automation and efficiency of public service system.
Well, this is our group documentation. Here we didn't have too many meetings because some of our group members were working. So we had to find a suitable day to have a team discussion. Alright, thank you for your attention. We apologize if there are any shortcomings from our group. We from the team apologize profusely. Thank you.